makes life interesting is we don't know what's coming. It's either a blessing or a disaster. And that's why preparedness played a very important role on us. We don't know when the earthquake comes, but we can prepare. We can actually prepare on what to do when it happens. A disaster is a sudden event, such as an accident or a natural catastrophe, which causes a great damage or a loss of life. And preparedness minimizes the damage or the loss of life when the disaster comes. Typhoon Sindong on December 13 to 19 in 2011 made a total death of 1,250 people. And imagine how many people should be saved if we just prepared enough. As what Petra Denkova says, we cannot stop natural disaster, but we can arm ourselves with knowledge. But the big question is how?
Well, that question is a very big question, my friend. It's because in this kind of things, we need to assess, especially when our lives are in line. So, according to NDRRMC, the first thing you need to do is make time for preparation. Because, of course, you need time and effort to succeed. And secondly, is to make plans for strategies or for every emergencies to know that what you will do or to when to do it and how to apply it. And third thing is to inform your people. It can be anything, your community, your household, so that your people will be informed on what to do and the operation will go smoothly because there is a presence of operation. And the fourth is to be ready on supplies because the local governments or the local communities don't have the time or they're not always there to provide for you. Next is to assess potential hazards. It is because they are the components that amplifies the cause of damage or the penalty of the disaster. And lastly is to practice regularly. That is the last thing. And also the question is how to apply it and in the real world.
I can actually testify about it. I was there when Bagyong Sindong struck, and being prepared really helps. That's why I'm still here today. When my grandmother heard that news that Bagyong Sindong will land in Cebu, we immediately packed our things and prepared foods and some things needed to do. When the authority gave us signals to evacuate, we immediately evacuated. See how preparedness can save many lives. As what Benjamin Franklin said,
If you fail to prepare, you are preparing to fail.